Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Ford Focus CL hatch, stock reference number 5072. This shape runs from the 7th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2009. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, manual door mirror, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left-hand tail light. Tailgate has one small dent on the top. Tidy bumper cover, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has 2 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, right manual door mirror, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, fronts only type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.